Yo.
Yes, sir. I'll turn.
Yeah, turn in there, all right? Alpha 45, Central 12F.
And Mercedes?
10-4. He turned left on Catalina. Did you see a black Mercedes go this way? Which way? That way? 45 Central, I just got flagged down. He's still headed westbound on Catalina, headed towards the YMCA. It's got a cover plate, and it should be a temp tag, Hispanic male, black hoodie.
We got a detail unit right there at Williamson. Alright, everyone's got to give us a channel. Eastbound still. Alright, so they can get right to eastbound past the race track. I'm going to look now. Trying to the red ball. Where the red light, almost signal forward, he's continuing eastbound. So eastbound side will come up to the Walmart. Come up to Nova now. Nova to the Alright, kind of boxed in right now behind the ambulance at Double and Nova eastbound. Alright, backing up.
I hope they don't have a...
Turn the car off, motherfucker! Turn it off! Oh. Good job.
Please stay here. Please stay here.
I ain't moving.
I got you. Come on out. Leave your shoes. Come on out.
Coming up on your ear, Sheriff.
Come on out. Come on out.
Get on the ground. Do it now.
Down right there. Down right there.
Okay. Here you go. Here you go. You can stay cool.
Rest of the
This
car's
is for
clear.
the dumbest reason of all time, too.
I know. You're going to kill 15 people within the next couple of
I got a clean record and everything. I got my tag taken, and I'm just trying to keep my car from work.
You could have killed 15 people.
Because I don't know what to do. I don't have money to pull over.
We got you covered.
Yeah. You probably would have got a ticket and had a ride
I
home.
don't want my car taken. That's why I don't have...